Hello everybody, good morning. I Devendra Kumar from Sanskaram Public School welcome you in my online class. Our today's topic is singular and plural noun. Today we will learn how we can change a singular noun into a plural one. We know that there are two types of noun, singular and plural. In order to change a singular into plural, we add s or es in the end of the noun. And we should never forget that only a countable noun can be changed from singular to plural. Now, let's learn what is singular and what is plural noun. Actually, the singular noun indicates only one thing. Like this marker, it's only one thing. It's a singular noun. And whereas a plural noun indicates more than one thing. If we have two things like this and this, these are two things. So it is a plural one. Now, in order to change a singular into plural, we must follow some rules. There are some rules to change a singular into plural noun. Let's learn how we can change them using the rules given here. See, first rule is the word ending on s. Such words which ends on s, double s, sh, ch, o, x or on z will be changed from singular to plural using es in the end. Let's see some example. Like class, there are double s in the end. It is singular word. Now when we'll change it into plural word, we will add es in the end of it. Bush word has sh in the end. Then we will change this into plural. We will add here es. Bench word has ch in the end. So we will add es with it also. Fox, x word is given in the end. So this will also follow the same rule. If es will be added here in the end of it. Second rule says the words ending on y. The words which end on y will also be made plural using es, but before adding es, we must delete word y and paste there I. Let's see some examples to understand this rule. See, the story word has y in the end. When we will change this story word into plural one, we will delete I and paste at the place of I, y, I, and then we will add es. This is ready. Y is given in the end. So again, delete y and paste I at the place of y and then add es. While following this rule, we must remember that before deleting y, we must see if the previous letter is a vowel or a consonant. Like in this word, story, the y is given in the end, no doubt, but the previous letter is a vowel. In that case, this y will not be changed into I and only s will be added with it. Next rule says that the words ending on f or fe. Now such words which ends on f or fe will also take es in the end to be plural, but we need to make a little change here. Let's see what is that change. If any word ends on f, we will delete f before changing it into plural, and then we will add v at place of f, and then we will add es. If any word ends with fe, fe will be deleted, and at the place of fv we will add v, and then we will add es. In the same way, words like leaf, thief can also be changed into plural noun. But we always remember that words like roof, proof don't follow this rule. These words, next we will discuss about such words which follow no rule. Yeah, you heard right. There are some words which can be changed into plural but following no rule. Like words child. The child word will be changed in plural like this, children. But there is no rule to change child into children. Okay, and this word is quite different from this word. Like word foot will become fit. Okay, there is a it is also a free word. It does not follow any rule. Same man, mouse, mice. Okay, these are the words which follow no rule while being changed from singular to plural. Next, we will talk about such words which remain same. Which remain same in singular and in plural. Okay, there is no plural for these words. Like sheep, it is singular, and in plural form also it is sheep. There is no change in it. Like deer, singular, and deer, plural. Okay, this is also same. We will not add SOES with it. Fish is singular and it will remain same in plural form as well. Fish. Furniture is also a word which remains same in both the numbers, in singular and in plural as well. I hope this lecture is fruitful to you. You will be able to understand what singular and plural noun. With these words, wish you goodbye.